The columns component lets you split your content into multiple columns, helping you create flexible and well-structured layouts on your pages. In this video, we'll show you how to add columns, manage their layout, and customize their appearance using the built-in features. Here's an example of columns in use. They're ideal for layouts like services, features, or side-by-side content. To add columns, click Add. Then select Columns from the Components list. When you add a columns component, it always starts with 2 columns. To add content to a column, click Add inside the column itself, then choose the component you want to insert. Each column can contain its own text, images, buttons, and other components. To manage your columns, click the Columns bar above the component. This opens all the column layout and styling options. From here, use the plus icon to add more columns or the minus icon to remove any you no longer need. To reorder columns, click and drag the 4-headed arrow icon and drop the column where you want it. To resize columns, hover over the space between 2 neighboring columns, then click and drag the 2-headed arrow to change their widths. If you want all columns to be the same width, turn on Equalize Column Widths. You can control the horizontal gutter, which is the space between columns. You can also change the vertical spacing between options inside a column, giving your content more or less breathing room. Column dividers help visually separate your columns. You can turn them on or off, change their color, and adjust their width. Choose how content is aligned within each column, at the top, center, or bottom. You can add a background color to individual columns to help highlight key content. You can also apply a background image to a column for a more visual design. Both background colors and images can be removed at any time. If you make a mistake, you can undo or redo your last action directly from the columns controls. Once you're happy with your layout, click OK or Cancel to discard your changes. Remember to click Save in the bottom toolbar so your changes go live for your visitors. And that's it. With the columns component, you have full control over your layout, from structure and spacing to styling and alignment.